Science Center Singapore Part 15. Science Center Singapore is situated at its Science Center Road, Singapore 609081. It established on 10th December 1977. Its operating hours 10 am to 6 pm. It is just 8 minutes walk from Jurong East MRT station. It is a scientific institution in Jurong, East Singapore, specializing in the promotion of science and technological education to ordinary people. With more than 1,000 interactive exhibits spanning 14 galleries, Science Center Singapore is an ideal space to inspire the next generation of Newtons and Einsteins. Admission ticket adult Singapore $5 and child Singapore $35. Trek to the center of the earth through a crack in the surface to discover the different layers that lay beneath, or power an engine using the heart of your palm. There are just some of the fun activities that can be found at 20 permanent exhibitions, such as the Eco Garden, which showcases a variety of plants all growing naturally without human oversight. There are 15,000 objects on display, including world famous objects such as the Apollo 10 command capsule and Stephen's rocket. Shows and demonstrations are scheduled daily and are designed to make learning exciting. Witness a spectacular fire tornado demonstration in safety. Hold a giant hissing cockroach in your hand and gaze into the stars at the observatory. There is an Omni Theatre. Snow City Extra are here with over 850 exhibits spread over 8 exhibition galleries. It sees over 1 million visitors a year and over 25 million visitors up to the year 2003, when it celebrated its silver jubilee. Every year, Science Center will include new activities. The observatory is one of the few observatories in the world located next to the equator. Telescope. The main telescope of the observatory is a 40 centimeter, that is 16-inch cast-grain reflector of a combined whole length of 520 centimeters, that is 200 inch. Stargazing session. The observatory has been open to the public for stargazing sessions every Friday night since June 2006. The opening hours are from 7:50 pm to 10 pm. The observatory can comfortably accommodate 50 visitors per session. It is important to note that stargazing through the observatory telescope is only possible when the sky is clear. Science Center is also renowned for its largest collection of educational material comprising diverse topics like the human body, plants, animals, optional illusions, planets, and climate change, etc. Live shows and demonstrations of experiments in front of the audience leave them in awe of power and phenomena of science and make them believe what science can do. The center organizes daily presentations of live experiments that are Telesia coil demonstrations, an electrifying and not to be missed show that showcases the live demonstrations of 3.5 million volts of electricity. Location: Atrium. Timing: 12 pm to 12:10 pm. Fire tornado demonstration. It lets you enjoy the most terrifying and spectacular phenomena, a fire tornado. A whirling fire column rises in a specially built chamber where temperatures reach over 600 degrees Celsius. Location courtyard, timing 3 to 3:15 pm. 3 signs on a sphere, forces of nature. It provides you with a spherical protection system that exhibits real-time state light images of Earth and videos explaining about the forces of nature and Earth's environment. Location Hall B, Earth Exhibition, timing 4 to 4:15 pm. And 4 signs on a sphere. Health, heavenly bodies. In enlightenments of you with research, videos and images of the celestial bodies in the solar system. Location Hall B, Earth Exhibition, time 11 am to 11:15 am. Other essential information about Science Center Singapore. Science Center Singapore opening hours daily 10 am to 6 pm. Kids Stop opening hours daily 9:30 am to 6 pm. Omni Theatre opening hours daily 12 pm to 6 pm. Snow City opening hours daily 10 am to 6 pm. Ticket price. Science Center adult Singapore dollar 12, child Singapore dollar 4, senior citizen Singapore dollar 4. Omni Theatre adults Singapore dollar 14, child's Singapore dollar 14, senior citizen Singapore dollar 12. And Snow City Singapore dollar 24, child Singapore dollar 24. 1 hour of snow play plus 1 bumper car ride. Kids Stop Singapore dollar 13 for adults, child Singapore dollar 23, senior citizen Singapore dollar 13. The different wonderful timing the visitors can see in 14 galleries are Get Lost in the Mirror Maze, and Know and Conquer Your Fear. Experience snow all year long. And 4. Have a dialogue with time. 5. Journey into space. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the video in my YouTube channel and Facebook page Ram's Travel Diary. Thank you.